So market conditions, characteristics and types. Now I'm going to move on in a second to our charting and technical analysis module. However, I just want to mention this, which is very important. You've got, in my eyes, three different characteristics at different times. You've got markets that are trending, which is this here. So you're going to get a drive up, some sort of pullback, another drive up, maybe another pullback, another drive up. That's what's called a trending market. And it's the same if you're doing down as well. It's the same thing, just in reverse. You've got a range bound market. We've got an upper end of the range, a lower end of the range, and the market is just ping pong back and forth within that range. That could be during the day, could be during the week, could be during the month, could be during the year. There are stocks out there that are stuck in these type of ranges for years. There are some days when you're trading the market, your favorite market, and it's sticking in a range all day long. There are some days when it's trending off to new highs. So, and there's also the final one, which is choppy. Now, I always say avoid choppy, which is different to range bound, because choppy means the range is narrow, but it just doing unpredictable things. It's moving out of the range, it's chopping around, it's just generally doing not a lot, and normally that's in a very narrow band. So that's a day trader's worst enemy. If a market is choppy, if it's just moving around with no real direction, and you'll start to get familiar with that when you start to look at charts and actually do some trading, stay away from it. Honestly, I would recommend highly you avoid all choppy markets. If different trading strategies are used for each condition, so if you're trading a trending market, as I say, we'll look at this in a bit more depth in a second, you're going to use a different trading strategy than if you're trading a range bound market. And it's important, I put this in now because I think it's a fundamental that a lot of people forget, and it's very important to understand and respect the difference between the markets and not try to force your will or your strategy onto a market. So understanding the different condition, characteristic and type of market, and this can happen from market to market. So one market can be trending, one market can be range bound, or the same market can go through different phases of going going range bound, trending, range bound, trending, and understanding that market can change is very important as a trader.